slippery, so I just had to keep sliding. So
just tell us about your leg. How you fractured your leg?
You see that blood right there?
Yeah.
That's called a cicatricularis lumbing infraction. So I have a cicatricularis lum infraction where it bruises up and swells up. So I had to go to the hospital after this.
Was it worth it?
Hell yeah!
How was it? Talk us through as you were coming down, what you were thinking and what was going through your mind.
Like it looks scary, but I'm like once you go, once that first slide, you're like, you know what? I can do this. I can take it, and I took it. But I want to do it again because I know how to win now. I went like 4th place my first time with no technique, with no videos, but yeah, I did it though.
You're gonna have another go.
Yeah.
We'll see you next year.
All right, Steve.
Good to see ya. IShowSpeed there. Hopefully he gives me a mention on his channel.
And meanwhile, we are underway in the Gloucestershire Cheese Roll 2024. High-vis jacket in the middle's looking good. He slides on his knees. Oh, there's someone going down the right, which is all sorts of limbs in no particular order. It's the high-vis, I think. Straight through the middle. Takes it.